Class 7 Social Science Term 2 History Unit 1 Vijayanagar and Bamani Kingdoms Evaluation. Welcome to our social science class. Let us revise the lesson, children. First evaluation part is choose the correct answer. Question 1. Who was the greatest ruler of Sangama dynasty? The options are A. Bukka, option B. Devaraya II, option C. Harihara II, option D. Krishna Devaraya. Correct answer option B. Devaraya II. Question 2. Which was the most common animal depicted on the pillars of Vijayanagara style? The options are A. Elephant, option B. Horse, option C. Cow, option D. Deer. Correct answer option B. Horse. Question 3. Who was the last ruler of the Sangama dynasty? The options are A. Ramaraya, option B. Tirumala Devaraya, option C. Devaraya II, option D. Virupaksha Raya II. Correct answer option D. Virupaksha Raya II. Question 4. Who ended the Sultanate in Madurai? The options are A. Saluva Narasimha, option B. Devaraya II, option C. Kumara Kampanna, option D. Tirumala Devaraya. Correct answer option C. Kumara Kampanna. Question 5. Name the Bamani king who was a linguist and a poet. The options are A. Alauddin Hasan Shah, option B. Muhammad I, option C. Sultan Feroz, option D. Mujahid. Correct answer option C. Sultan Feroz. Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Dash was the capital of Aravidu dynasty. Correct answer Pennukonda. Pennukonda was the capital of Aravidu dynasty. Question 2. Vijayanagar emperors issued a large number of gold coins called dash. Correct answer Varahas. Vijayanagar emperors issued a large number of gold coins called Varahas. Question 3. Muhammad Gawan used dash chemists to teach the preparation and use of gunpowder. Correct answer Persian. Muhammad Gawan used Persian chemists to teach the preparation and use of gunpowder. Question 4. In Vijayanagara administration, dash looked after the affairs of villages. Correct answer Gowda. In Vijayanagara administration, Gowda looked after the affairs of villages. Roman letter 3. Match the following. Question 1. Vijayanagara. Correct answer City of Victory. Question 2. Prataparudra. Correct answer ruler of Odisha. Question 3. Krishna Devaraya. Correct answer Ashtadigajas. Question 4. Abdul Razak. Correct answer Persian emissary. Question 5. Tenali Ramakrishna. Correct answer Panduranga Mahatayam. Roman letter 4. Question 1. Assertion. The Vijayanagar army was considered one of the feared armies in India. Reason. Vijayanagar armies used both firearm and cavalry. The options are A. Or is not the correct explanation of A. Option B. Or is correct explanation of A. Option C. A is correct and R is wrong. Option D. A and R are correct. Correct answer option B. R is correct explanation of A. Question 2. Find out the wrong pair. The options are A. Silk China, option B. Spices Arabia, option C. Precious stone Burma, option D. Madurai Vijayam Ganga Devi. Correct answer option B. Spices Arabia. Question 3. Find the odd one out. Harihara II, Muhammad I, Krishna Devaraya, Devaraya II. Correct answer Muhammad I. Question 4. Consider the following statements and find out which is or are correct. Roman letter 1. Turquoise throne is one of the bejeweled royal seats of Persian kings described in Firdausi's Shahnama. Roman letter 2. The fertile regions between the rivers Krishna and Tungabhadra and Krishna Godavari Delta were the zones of conflict among the rulers of Vijayanagar and Bamani. Roman letter 3. Muhammad I was educated at Multan. Roman letter 4. Muhammad Gawan served with great distinction as the Prime Minister under Muhammad III? The options are A. Roman letter 1, 2 are correct. Option B. Roman letter 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option C. Roman letter 2, 3, 4 are correct. Option D. Roman letter 3, 4 are correct. Option E. Roman letter 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Correct answer. Option B. Roman letter 1, 2, 3 are correct. Roman letter 5. True or false? Question 1. Arihara and Bukka were the founder of Bamani kingdom. Answer false. Question 2. Krishnadeva Raya, who reigned for 20 years, was the most illustrious rulers of Sangama dynasty. Answer false. Question 3. Alasani Peddanna was the greatest of all Ashtadigajas. Answer true. Question 4. Kingship of Vijayanagar administration was hereditary based on the principle of primogeniture. Answer true. Question 5. There were 18 monarchs of the Bamani dynasty. Answer true. Roman letter 6. Answer in one or two sentences. Question 1. The four dynasties of Vijayanagara kingdom with reference to prominent rulers of each dynasty. Answer. Four dynasties, namely Sangama 1336 to 1485, Saluva 1485 to 1505, Tuluva 1505 to 1570, Aravidu 1570 to 1646 ruled this kingdom. Question 2. Battle of Talikota. Correct answer. The sultans of Deccan kingdoms formed a league to fight the Vijayanagar Empire. The combined forces of the enemies met at Sadasiva Raya, Talikota in 1565. In the ensuing battle known as Rakasa Tangadi, that is, Battle of Talikota, Vijayanagar was defeated. Question 3. The structure of governance in Vijayanagar kingdom. Correct answer. The empire was divided into different mandalams, provinces, nadus, districts, sthalas, taluks, and finally into gramas, villages. Each province was administered by a governor called Mandaleswara. The lowest unit was the village. Each village had a Grama Sabha. Gowda, village headman, looked after the affairs of the village. The army consisted of the infantry, cavalry, and elephant corps. Question 4. The five independent kingdoms of Deccan Sultanate: Bidar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Berar, and Golconda. Question 5. The educational reforms of Alauddin Hasan Shah. Alauddin Hasan Shah, on his accession, took special care in founding a school to educate his sons and opened institutions for the purpose of educating the children of noble families in the art of soldiery. Roman letter 7. Answer in detail. Question 1. Discuss the career and achievements of Krishnadeva Raya. Correct answer. Krishnadeva Raya, who reigned for 20 years, was the most illustrious ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. He brought under control the independent chieftains in the Tungabhadra river basin. The Bahmani Sultan Muhammad Shah had been overthrown and kept in imprisonment by his minister. Krishnadeva Raya freed the Sultan and restored him to the throne. Prataparudra negotiated for peace and offered to marry off his daughter to him. Krishnadeva Raya, with the assistance of the Portuguese gunners, could easily defeat the Sultan of Golconda and subsequently take over Raichur from the ruler of Bijapur. A great builder, Krishnadeva Raya built huge irrigation tanks and reservoirs for harvesting rainwater. He built the famous temples of Krishnaswamy, Hazara Ramaswamy, and Vithala Swamy in the capital city of Hampi. He distributed the wealth he gained in wars to all major temples of South India for the purpose of constructing temple gateways, Gopura, called Raya Gopura, in his honor. He had good friendly relationship with the Portuguese and Arabian traders, which increased the empire's income through customs. Patron of literature, art and architecture. Krishnadeva patronized art and literature. 8 eminent luminaries in literature known as Ashtadigyas adorned his court. Roman letter 8. Hots. Question 1. Discuss the causes for the decline of Vijayanagar rule. To what extent the Bahmani sultans contributed to it? Answer. The main causes of the decline of the Vijayanagar empire were the military ambitions of the Vijayanagar rulers and Deccan sultans resulted in shifting alignment. In the Battle of Talikota, the Vijayanagar empire was completely defeated. Both the Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms claimed Raichur Doab lying between Krishna and Tungabhadra because of its fertile, rich land. Both wanted to conquer Golconda because of its gold mines. Both the powers described to extend their kingdom and had religious jealousy. Each considered the other as a danger to its existence. Roman letter 10. Answer grid. Question 1. Name the kingdom ruled by 18 monarchs which lasted for nearly 180 years. Correct answer Bahmani. Question 2. Name the Bahmani Sultan who was restored to the throne by Krishnadeva Raya. Correct answer Mahmud Shah. Question 3. Name the book written by Krishnadeva Raya in Sanskrit. Correct answer Jambavati Kalyanam. Question 4. Where did Hasan Bahman Shah shifted his capital? Correct answer Gulbarga. I hope you will do your revision well. Thank you for watching this video.